Hi there, you're now watching Chinese without xi'an, and I'm Mavis from Top Mandarin with Mavis. Numbers are everywhere in our daily life, and it's hard to avoid them in conversations. So today, we're going to learn counting from 1 to 100 and also big numbers in Mandarin Chinese. In this video, we'll introduce the two most common numerals in Mandarin Chinese. One is the Arabic numerals, and the other is the simple Chinese character numerals. The good news is the way to say the numbers in Mandarin Chinese is relatively easier than many other languages. As long as you can count from 1 to 10, you can pretty much count to 99 without any problems. Let's get started. From 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 11 to 20, the logic to say the Chinese numbers is simple. We use the double-digit number as the base and add the single-digit number to it. For example, 11 would be 10, the double-digit number, plus 1, the single-digit number. 10, 1 is 11. 10 in Mandarin Chinese is 10. 1 is 1. 10, 1, 11, which is 11. Same to the rest of the tens. 12 is 10, 2, 12. 13 is 10, 3, 13. 14 is 10, 4, 14. 15 is 10, 5, 15. 16 is 10, 6, 16. 17 is 10, 7, 17. 18 is 10, 8, 18. 19 is 10, 9, 19. And what do you think 20 is? 20 is 2 tens, right? 2 is 2. 10 is 10. 2 10 in Mandarin Chinese is 20. From here, let's apply the same logic to 30, 40, and all the way to 90. 30 is 310. 30. 40 is 410. 40. 50 is 510. 50. 60 is 610. 60. 70 is 710. 70. 80 is 810. 80. 90 is 910. 90. Apply the logic to the numbers between 1 and 99, and you'll be able to say them in Mandarin Chinese. For example, 37 is 30 and 7. 30 is 30. 7 is 7. 37 is 37. Let's try another one. 99 is 90 and 9. 90 is 90. 9 is 9. 99 is 99. What about the big numbers? Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. In Mandarin Chinese, the big numbers are broken down differently than in English. The best way to learn them is just to memorize them. 100 in Mandarin Chinese is 100. 100 would be 1 and 100. 1 is 1, 100 is 100. 100 is 100. 700 would be 7 and 100. 7 is 7, 100 is 5. 700 would be 700. 1,000 in Mandarin Chinese is 1,000. 1,000 would be 1 and 1,000. 1 is 1, 1,000 is 1,000. 1,000 is 1,000. 3,000 would be 3 and 1,000. 3 is 3, 1,000 is 1,000. 3,000 would be 3,000. 10,000 in Mandarin Chinese is 1. 10,000 would be 1, 10,000. 1 is 1, 10,000 is 1. 1 10,000 is 1. 30,000 is 3, 10,000. 3 is 3, 10,000 is 1. 3, 10,000 is 3 1. 100,000 in Mandarin Chinese is 10万. 100,000 would be 1 and 100,000. 1 is 1, 100,000 is 10万. 100,000 in this case is 10万, but we usually omit the e here and just call it 10万. 900,000 would be 900,000. 9 is 9. 100,000 is 10万. 900,000 would be 90万. Million in Mandarin Chinese is 百万. 1 million is 1 and million. 1 is 一. Million is 百万. 1 million would be 100万. 7 million would be 7 and million. 7 is 7. Million is 百万. 7 million is 700万. 10 million in Mandarin Chinese is 千万. 10 million is 1 and 10 million. 1 is 一. 10 million is 千万. 1 10 million is 1000万. 70 million would be 7 and 10 million. 7 is 7. 10 million is 千万. 7 10 million is 7000万. Finally, 100 million in Mandarin Chinese is 亿. 100 million would be 1 and 100 million. 1 is 一. 100 million is 亿. 100 million is 一亿. And 500 million would be 5 and 100 million. 5 is 五. 100 million is 亿. 5 and 100 million is 五亿. One important note here is when using the number 2 in big numbers like hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, million, 10 millions, and 100 millions, instead of saying 二, we say 两. For example, 200 is 200, not 200. And 2,000 is 2000, not 2000. And 20,000 is 2万, not 2万. Phew, we're done. Check out ltl-school.com if you're looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!